Here is the final painting. I'm really happy with it. And you know, my favorite part, unfortunately, I didn't video, but I love how this basket came out. What I did is, as you can see, I used a lot of water. And then as the water dried, I went in different stages and just added little details. You can see where it was wet. And then I left these little holes dry when I put in my original wet layer, like you guys have seen me do 10 million times. And just went in as the paper was drying at different stages of dryness and added details. And it kept it really loose, and I just think it gave it a nice effect. But here's Kitty. And I just wanted to give you a close-up of how this all turned out. So there is the finished painting. I'm going to name it Black Cat Book Basket. This looks just like my cat, but it's actually an image I found on Instagram. I think her name is Jennifer Thomas Designs, but she's an editor at Better Homes and Gardens, actually. And this is her cat and her books and her basket. So that's where I got the original image. So thank you so much to her. And I will put more information about her exact Instagram handle down below so that you can find her on Instagram and enjoy her beautiful feed. She's a stylist for Better Homes and Gardens magazine, one of my favorite magazines, by the way.